Alright, so I did receive something a day earlier and I wasn't going to do a video on this, but I did get the new Razer BlackWidow Elite Keyboard Gaming. Of course, now we're going to get into this and we're going to do an unboxing. I will do a review separate and actually do a depth review. We're just going to do an unboxing and give you the basic specs on this gaming keyboard. Now I do have the Corsair K70, not RGB. It's Cherry MX red switches, just red only. So I had this keyboard for about 4 years now, and I did pay a 180. I'll put down the link below where you can get this keyboard, the Corsair and the Razer. So yeah, so let's check this out. Alright guys, Josh Tech came here back again with another tech video unboxing. I finally upgraded to a Razer. Now I do have the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition mouse, so I figured to complete it, I will get the Razer keyboard. Now I did get the new Razer keyboard. There is a Razer Huntsman and then there's a Razer Elite. I did get the Elite, not the Huntsman, because it's about $199. I did pay $160 for this. I'll put it in the description below. It still might be on sale for the holidays, so I'm not really sure if it's going to go back up. The Huntsman is $199 and this keyboard is $150. Now we'll do an unboxing right now because I'm excited about this and trying it out and see how good it is. So I kind of opened it already, so yeah, we're just sorry about the twinkly lights in the background again, you know, Christmas lights. So this is it. This is the BlackWidow Razer Elite keyboard. Now, I was going to put like a green screen up, but I can't because the box is green and everything will be all cut out. Now, hopefully you guys can still hear me because the microphone's further away, but don't mind the lighting. So anyways, this is it. This is the new Razer get my voice in there. Razer Black. Sorry about the lights glaring on the Razer BlackWidow mechanical keyboard. Now I'm so excited about this because the keyboard I have now, it's been great. Love it. It's been a great keyboard. I had it about 4 or 5 years. Kept it very clean, dust clean, and everything. Kept it squeak clean. Got a couple dusts, but I keep this keyboard really clean. I'm gonna be taking good care of this one. So let's open it up. And now this is the Razer green switches, tactical and clicky. So basically these are new key switches that are a lot different. Here's what they sound like. Very clicky. So we're gonna open this up. Actually, I wasn't expecting to get this but I'm gonna do the video today, upload it, and you guys are gonna be able to watch it. Now, when I'm video and unboxing on this for you guys so you guys can see it, and then we can do a review over it. I will be uploading a review on my gaming monitor that'll be uploaded this week, so look forward to that. Oh my gosh, so damn sexy. Basically open it up. It's right there. Open it up and boom, they send you this little thing saying blah blah blah. Basically it's just telling you you got your keyboard. They give you some cool Razer stickers. I really like that, and that's actually pretty nice. If you guys can kind of see. I have a lot of light in here, so and you know they give you all this stuff, so we don't want to see that. We want to see the keyboard. Right here, another shot. I will show you actually a good shot right there. So open it up and let's put the microphone over here. Open it up. I gotta admit, this keyboard is really nice. For a minute there, I took it out and it was like this. So I'm like, okay, this is really nice. Where's the wrist wrap? Where's the wrist pad? It's right here. I'm like, whew, okay. This is the wrist wrap. Let's put this over here. This is now I have seen tons of videos on this, and I was really, which one do I pick? Now I know the Huntsman Elite does, put it right there, the Huntsman Elite does light up the whole keyboard and the mouse, and honestly I mean it's cool, but the Huntsman Elite doesn't have things that go on the keyboard like the basically the side USB hub and the microphone, and there was a couple things that and I use those things, so I was like, okay, why would they do that? But you know, so basically this is the wrist rest. Wow, really soft, really cushiony. Look at that. It's even got the Razer logo right there, if you guys can kind of see. It's kind of like dark. So you just basically connect this and stuff. Wow, it's really, really soft. That is really nice, because the Corsair I have right now is like a hard plastic like this, so it's not very good. I never use it because when I'm gaming, I'm always having my keyboard sideways. But maybe I'll be using this, but if I'm gaming, I'll be able to take this off, put it to the side. Really cool. I'm liking that. The new Razer BlackWidow Elite. Now this keyboard actually is pretty cool. We're going to be doing some, don't worry, I'll be doing some video B-roll shots and clean shots. So we're definitely going to be plugging this in and trying it out. Now the cable is very thick, very stiff and thick. So letting you guys know about that. They do come with this little rubber bandy thing. I probably won't be needing that. Wow, this cable's super thick and it's like tough. I mean, look at that. Actually, I could probably take this off. So it does come with actually three. It comes with two USBs, because you're going to need one for the RGB and the regular keyboard. And then you got this for the microphone. So basically you could plug this into the back of your computer, and then you can use the microphone headset on the side of the keyboard. And this is what I was talking about right here. I got the USB and the, but I won't be using that. So, but I will be using this. I kind of don't like this on the side. I wish it was more on top, but that's not a bad deal breaker. So now this does have a thick cable. Look how clicky it is. This does have a thick cable, so you could run it up here, or you could run it on the sides, each side you want. I'm actually liking that, but what I'm going to be doing is doing straight across. So just stick it in there. Now the cable is very thick, so it's kind of hard to stick it in there. I want to stay in there. It keeps popping out because the wires. Yeah. That's about that thing. It doesn't like want to stay in there, but that's okay. Once I lay it down, it'll be good. I will do a comparison of these two different keyboards, because not a whole review on my Corsair keyboard, but pretty much you can tell how clicky it is. And this is my old one. A lot quieter. Very, very clicky. Now, I will actually do some B-roll footage, so they're actually almost the same size. The only thing is, like, I feel like the Razer actually is a lot smaller because of the top. As you notice, the top, it's very short, because basically the pads are right here. All the volume switches. So basically this has a volume switch, a mute button, play, fast forward, and all this lights up. So basically these are the green mechanical switches. Now these are tactical and clicky, and then they're actually a lot, they respond really fast. Now they do have the green, the yellow, and the orange. Green is more tactical, clicky, and then you got the orange that's tactical and silent, and then you got the yellow that's liner and silent. So they're like different ones. I did get the clicky one, and wow, Wow. Okay, when I'm gonna be playing Fortnite, I already know it's gonna be super loud. It's probably gonna pick it up. Shit. FYI, I can also make them quieter. The SWEs that I do, I can put actually bands in them and stuff. Now you can take the keycaps out. I do have a I can't take the keycap out with this. So basically, I just put it in, pull it up, boom, it comes right out. The switches are green and the LEDs are right behind it, so it lights up perfectly. Be careful when you do take off the keycaps off the Razer, because I heard it's very oily and it gets on your hands and it will get on the keyboard, and it's kind of hard to get off. So pretty much that's about it. I mean, there's it does now it does when you plug it in, it does have the program. You could open it up, and so if you have the Razer Synapse, you be able to download the program and then customize your keyboard, your mouse, and all that stuff and sync it. So it does have the app for that. It's really cool. I really enjoy it. It's really clicky, so it's going to be a little bit loud when I'm playing gaming Fortnite. Now, no, they do have things to put over your keycaps, like little rubber bands to make them more silent, if you want to do that. So, all right, guys, but that's about it. Pretty much just an unboxing on the new Razer BlackWidow Elite. Now, I will do a little more review over it after a couple weeks, and I'll let you know what I think about it and stuff. And this is just a little short unboxing. Now it is really nice. It lights up. It does light up very nice. I'll have to learn how to sync it and match the colors with the ripple, the wave, and stuff. So you could do all that stuff breathing. You can take the keycaps off, and it is clicky green switches. So you can get 3 different kinds. You can get the clicky, the silent, and the really silent ones. So there's different options for this keyboard, and I'm gonna try it out. Let you know, guys, what I think about my new game Razer BlackWidow Elite keyboard. Let me know if you guys like this keyboard. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Josh Tech Gamer, and I will check you guys later. Now, really, here it is right here.